Hi everyone! Join me today for a 10-minute breathing practice to relieve stress and tension, refocus the energy, and feel calm. We're going to be breathing in and out the nose, so I encourage you to keep your breath relaxed, smooth, and deep. Begin in a standing position with your feet firm on the ground. Relax and soften your whole body. Keep your spine nice and long. Release the back of the neck and reach upwards through the crown of the head. From here, place your hands on your abdomen. Breathe in through the nose and into your belly. Breathe out and pull the belly in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Keep your breath slow and deep, breathing into your belly. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Relax your hands by the side. The first movement is called Open the Door of Life. Go ahead and float your hands up. Exhale as you sink down. Breathe in. Breathe out. This movement is a good opening form for many Tai Chi exercises. It helps to slow down the mind, slow down the breath, and reconnect with the body. Breathe in. Breathe out. On the next one, go ahead and open your hands to the side. Exhale as you bring your hands back to center and down. Breathe in as you open. Breathe out and down. When you perform this movement, it is as if you are opening the curtains to take in some fresh air. Keep your whole body nice and relaxed. The movement helps to strengthen your heart and lungs and is good for reducing depression. Breathe in as you open. Breathe out and soften. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out. Relax for a moment. From here, breathe in and lean to the side to open the rib cage. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your breath slow and deep, breathing into your abdomen. This movement is good for the lungs, the shoulders, and the circulation. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Continue on your own for the next few cycles. One more time, breathe in. Breathe out. From here, breathe in and turn to the back, allowing your arms to sway out. Exhale as you return to center. Breathe in again as you turn. Breathe out and soften. Your breathing should be relaxed and natural. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Make sure your spine remains straight every time you turn. One more time on each side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax for a moment. Then go ahead and open your hands to the side about shoulder height. Exhale as you bend your knees and sink down. Breathe in again as you stand up. Breathe out and soften. This movement is called flying wild goose. If you notice, your arms are like the wings of a bird. Move gently and slowly while focusing on your breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. For the next one, go ahead and open your hands to the side. Look up. Exhale as you bend forward. Breathe in as you stand up. Open your chest to the sky. Look up. Exhale, relax, and sink down. Breathe in as you open your chest. Breathe out and down. Breathe in as you raise up. Exhale fully and soften. Continue following the breathing pattern. This movement helps maintain the flexibility of the back and is good for circulation. It also opens the Baihui point on the top of the head, which helps with tension headaches and migraines. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your hands by the side and take a moment to notice how your body feels. The next movement is called Crane Spreads Its Wings, and it's a fantastic exercise to test your balance and also open your chest for better breathing. Inhale as you lift your arms and legs. Exhale as you bring them down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in as your hands sway to the top. Breathe out and down. Continue breathing deeply into your abdomen, linking your breath to the movement. One more time. Relax your foot down and soften your whole body. Then go ahead and place both hands on your belly. Feel free to close your eyes here. And we're going to finish by bringing all the attention and energy back to the lower dantian. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in into your belly. Exhale and relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Do a few repetitions, staying relaxed and focused on your breath. Feel the warmth from your palms and the comfort spreading into your belly and throughout your entire body. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Slowly open your eyes and relax your hands by the side. Take a moment to notice how you feel one more time. Allow your mind to be calm and be fully present in your body. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you would like to join me live every Sunday on Zoom and practice longer routines, consider joining my membership site. You can find all the details in the description below.